Hey guys, it's Jenna and we're currently sitting inside my closet because today I am tackling a task that I have been putting off for weeks, and I keep saying I'm going to do it. And you know what, today is the day. It's raining outside and I'm going to take you guys along on the journey of going through my closet, pulling out everything I no longer wear and seeing what I think is worth selling on Poshmark. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark and on eBay. If you want to follow along on my reselling journey, thrift life, fashion, a little bit of everything, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for joining me, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to show you what we're working with. This is closet number 1. This is actually like my casual closet, so you can see I have a lot of t-shirts, sweatshirts, I got my jeans and hats and all kinds of odds and ends, as well as some shoes in here. And then we're gonna go to my other closet. So this is my other closet. It's more of like my dresses and going out type of stuff, as well as jackets. I've got some hats, some bags, and I think more shoes down here. So I'm gonna go through everything, and at the end I'll show you what I pull and what I am gonna resell. So as you can see, I had no problem finding plenty of stuff from my own closet to sell, stuff that I just no longer wear, am sick of, and I'm gonna go through it with you guys so you can see what I'm gonna list. And it's the type of brands and things that I would normally sell in my closet. My customer is kind of based loosely on myself, very casual, cool, bohemian, so let's get into the haul. Okay, so first up I'm going to start with the tank tops, and these first few are all Lululemon. I went to a Lululemon sale a couple years ago, like a warehouse sale in Atlanta, and I got a bunch of stuff, and this is just the stuff I'm kind of sick of or I don't wear anymore. And then onto, you're going to see a lot of graphic t-shirts and tank tops because that's kind of my style, and also what I like to buy for my Poshmark closet. Not a special brand, I just really like the print, and a lot of times, you know, if I like the graphic, I'll get it. And then this one is actually a Maeve top, and this is from Anthropologie, this brand. But I bought this shirt on Poshmark and I wore it a few times, and now it needs a new home. And then more graphic tees. This one's actually Free People. It's We the Free by Free People. It's got embellishments around the collar. And then this top's kind of like rock and roll style, and it's by Trunk Ltd, which is a really good brand if you see that one while you're out thrifting. This one is by First of a Kind, which First of a Kind is from the store LF, and they're all, you know, one of a kind. They make them from vintage t-shirts. They kind of embellish them, so that's a one of a kind top. And then this shirt I loved. I got this one on Poshmark. It's really long. It looks good with leggings, but I just wore it so many times I got sick of it. It's Free People. This one as well, it's also We the Free by Free People. I like the length on these because they're a little bit longer, so they're good for leggings. And then just a nice soft burnout t-shirt. This one I had thrifted. This was also a thrift find factory flea market staff. I just thought that was cool, but it's a little small for me. And then Harley Davidson tees. I pick up Harley Davidson tees when I'm outsourcing a lot. They do really well. They kind of have a following and they just have a nice look. And this one's more feminine cut. It's got a scoop neck and little cap sleeves. And then this I got for myself one time from Final Cut in Augusta, which is the Anthropologie Free People outlet. It's a Free People, really oversized swing tee. I actually never wore it because it was a little big for me, so it's definitely time to sell it. And then a graphic top from Altered State, which is kind of like a bohemian Free People style store that's at malls. And then the next two tops I got at Brandy Melville. So this is a Grateful Dead graphic t-shirt. And then we've got a Led Zeppelin band t-shirt. Both of those, like I said, Brandy Melville. And then a Free People. This was from the outlet. You can see like they cut the tags. This is just a striped top. It's a little bit shorter length. And then this shirt just says Pretty Tomboy, which I think is funny because I'm kind of tomboyish, but I'm also really girly. Like I like to wear comfortable casual clothes, but I will give that a new home. And then again, this is the brand I like, Trunk Ltd, but it's an extra small and it's too small for me. I was just kidding myself when I got that one. And then next up is a Left of Center, which is an Anthropologie brand. This is a really oversized ombre or dip dye t-shirt. I guess it's more dip dye because it's different colors versus one color gradient. And then I loved this sweatshirt. I think it's inside out. I wore it a ton, but I'm kind of over it. It's just a Free People sweatshirt. It is inside out because you can see the tag right there. But it's got this nice back cutout, so I would wear a really pretty bralette with it. And then this is a Free People thermal top with some really cool embellished cuffs. And then this one I got, this Harley Davidson shirt. I thrifted this a while ago thinking I would wear it. It's got kind of like the details and flames on the sleeves, but I just didn't wear it enough, so I'm gonna sell that. More band t-shirts. This one's the Who, raglan style baseball sleeves, and this is the brand Junk Food. I really like that brand for graphic t-shirts. And this is another one, Grateful Dead. I don't know if I should get rid of this one, but I probably will. It's a size small, which I kind of like my shirts a little bigger. I don't know why I got a small on that one. And then alternative apparel. This is just like a Starr print, kind of patriotic pullover top. And LuLaRoe. You'll see I have a few pieces of LuLaRoe. One of my friends was a consultant for a little while, so I got some stuff from her. And then a Lucky Brand plaid shirt. I have a lot of plaid shirts, and so I kind of tried to get rid of at least one, and this is the one that I lost. Cecilia Prado. This is a brand from Anthropologie. It's just a super long knit duster, and it's sleeveless, so it's a vest. And I wore this like a couple times, but it's one of those things that's kind of like a statement. I feel like I couldn't wear it that often. And then this is actually new with tags, so I do this sometimes. I bought this Cloth and Stone romper, new with tags from Anthropologie, and I never wore it, so I'm gonna sell that one. It's really cute. And this I had thrifted for myself, but I never wore it. It's just some like boutique brand little shorts romper, and it's got long bell sleeves. And then this is a Kimmy and Kin, which is an Anthropologie brand. It's new with tags. It's a long tunic top. It was kind of an awkward length for me because I'm short, and it's got a slit on the side. And then we have a Michael Starr's dress. So this one is just a really cute casual dress. I got this dress. It's like a no-name brand. I bought this at like an art festival. I just like tie-dye print, and it was really cute, but again, wore it to death. I bought this dress for Posh Fest this year, and I got it on sale, and I couldn't return it, but I loved it. It's just a little too tight on me, so I'm gonna sell it and give it to a new home. Again, Altered State. We've got like a little tie-dye kind of bohemian dress, new with tags. I know I can't be the only one who does that. Comment down below if you buy stuff and never wear it. Lots of pants. So these are some Altered State bell bottoms. These are some Free People like velvet bell bottoms. Again, I just wore these to death, and I'm kind of sick of them. These were from some boutique, and I wore these to Posh Fest 2 years ago. These are some Free People joggers, and they're like really cool print, but they're a little big on me. And then we've got some Topshop joggers. So these are some Topshop really cool sweatpants. They are so soft. I love those. And then a pair of Onzy pants, which Onzy is a really nice yoga line. I'll try and show you guys the tag. I always pick these up if I see them when I'm outsourcing. They do pretty well. And see. And then more Lulu. So I kept telling myself I was gonna wear this. I wore it when I first got it, but I haven't worn it in a while. It's a camo jacket and it's very sought after, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. This is another Lululemon jacket. It's a pretty rare one, and I got this one at the warehouse sale again, so I'm gonna go ahead and sell that. And then a Lululemon black scuba sweatshirt. You can't really see it, but I just don't wear that very much anymore. This jacket is vintage. I don't think it even has a brand in it. I really liked it. It's faux leather, and it's got like a distressed look to it. And then this top, it's like a mix between a shirt and a jacket. The brand, I don't even know what brand that is. I think I got it at a boutique, but it's really soft and Sherpa, faux Sherpa lined, and then it's got like the plaid flannel outside. Okay, next up is this Madewell jacket. This was one of my first Poshmark purchases, and I'm only getting rid of it because I have so many army green jackets. I just need to pick and choose. And then this is another Madewell jacket. It's kind of like a waxed cotton material. I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit shiny, like a raincoat. This is just like a thrifted sweater I had gotten for myself, but I don't wear it enough. And then this little American Eagle tote, I don't know where that came from. I think it was a gift with purchase, so I will list that. And then some shoes down here, just some like tall boots that I never wear anymore. Those I think are Steve Madden. These are some Fry boots and some Seychelles. We've got, ooh, I loved these glitter like Steve Madden shoes. I only wore them once because they were a little painful for me, but hopefully someone else can rock those. And then just some Lucky Brand flats, some mini Tonkas. I have a new inbox pair of Sam Edelman boots that I just never wore. I have a problem, I know. And then some little Steve Madden shoes, so I'm getting rid of those. And then on the bed, like I said before, I had a friend that did LuLaRoe, so I accumulated a bunch of LuLaRoe leggings, but I just don't really wear them, so I'm gonna sell them. I'll probably list all those in a lot. And then these are some Free People leggings, and I used to be obsessed with these. They're like a sweater knit, and I wore them not this past winter, but the one before, but I didn't wear them this year, so I'm gonna sell those. We've got some little chambray joggers. I don't know that brand. I think I got those at a boutique, but I'm gonna sell those. Some Free People. They're button front pants, and then Madewell striped jeans, some Madewell white jeans. I like Madewell. They fit me really well, but those are a little big. And then moving on, my last couple piles, this one, these are some J. Crew shorts, and then I believe, yeah, American Eagle shorts. And then I have a little pile of Lululemon shorts because I'm not really like a workout shorts person. I typically wear capris, so I'm gonna get rid of the shorts that I never wear. That pair is new with tags. And then that should be good. That's gonna keep me busy for quite a while. Thanks guys for cleaning out my closet with me. Please give me a thumbs up if maybe I have inspired or motivated you to clean out your closet. Now I gotta get all that listed. Bye guys.